Weapon of the day number 13, the sniper rifle. Ever wondered about the weapon responsible for turning the tide in secrecy? Meet the sniper rifle, a long-range masterpiece of stealth and precision. From dense jungles to open battlefields, this weapon is the ultimate game-changer. With cutting-edge optics and expert engineering, sniper rifles hit targets from extraordinary distances. Models like the Barrett M82 and the Remington 700 prove that power and precision make history. Each shot is not just a pull of the trigger, but a calculated masterpiece. Fascinated by the sniper's craft? Dive deeper into the world of sharpshooters and legendary weapons by liking, sharing, and subscribing for more tactical breakdowns. Stay locked and loaded.